Unleash your fitness potential interval training for beginners. Are you new to exercise, or are you looking for a more efficient way to get fit? Interval training might be the answer. Don't be intimidated by the name. Interval training is simply alternating between short bursts of intense exercise and periods of rest or lower intensity. It's a highly effective way to improve your fitness, no matter your starting point. This guide will break down interval training into simple steps. You'll learn about its benefits, how to do it, and common mistakes to avoid. We'll also share tips to keep you motivated. Let's embark on this exciting fitness journey together. Interval training is for everyone. It can be adapted to different fitness levels and preferences. Whether you enjoy running, cycling, swimming, or bodyweight exercises, you can incorporate interval training. Get ready to unlock your fitness potential and see real results fast. Demystifying interval training. A simple explanation. Interval training is like a dance between high intensity and recovery. Imagine sprinting as fast as you can for 30 seconds. Then you walk for a minute to catch your breath. That's one interval. You repeat this pattern for a set amount of time. The beauty of interval training lies in its simplicity and flexibility. You can customize the intensity, duration, and type of exercise to suit your fitness level and goals. No fancy equipment or gym memberships are required. For instance, a beginner might start with 30 seconds of brisk walking followed by 30 seconds of rest. As they get fitter, they can increase the intensity or duration of the high-intensity intervals. They could also switch to jogging or running. The possibilities are endless. Reaping the rewards benefits of interval training. Interval training offers superior benefits to traditional cardio. Key advantages include enhanced fat burning, improved cardiovascular health, and increased endurance. It also saves time, making it ideal for busy individuals. Let's get you started with a simple interval training routine that you can easily incorporate into your week. Remember to consult your doctor before starting any new exercise program. Warm up 5 minutes. Begin with light cardio such as brisk walking or jogging in place. Follow with dynamic stretches like arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. Workout 15 minutes. Choose your preferred exercise: brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or bodyweight exercises like jumping, jacks, burpees, or mountain climbers. Perform 30 seconds of high intensity exercise followed by 30 seconds of rest or active recovery like walking. Repeat this cycle for 10 rounds. Cool down 5 minutes. Gradually decrease your pace to bring your heart rate down. Finish with static stretches, holding each stretch for 30 seconds. As you progress, you can gradually increase the intensity, duration, or number of rounds. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to adjust the workout to your fitness level. Even with the best intentions, beginners often make mistakes that hinder their progress. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid. 1. Going too hard too soon. One of the biggest mistakes is starting too aggressively. Remember, consistency is key. It's better to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity over time than to burn out or injure yourself. 2. Skipping the warm-up or cool down. Proper warm-up prepares your body for exercise, while cool down helps your body recover. Skipping these essential phases increases the risk of injury and reduces the effectiveness of your workout. 3. Ignoring proper form. Maintaining correct form during exercises is crucial to prevent injuries. Focus on quality over quantity. If you're unsure about proper form, consult a certified fitness professional. 4. Not listening to your body. Your body is your best guide. Pay attention to any pain or discomfort. Rest when you need it, and don't hesitate to modify exercises or reduce the intensity if necessary. Consistency is key to reaping the full benefits of interval training. Here are some tips to stay motivated. 1. Find an activity you enjoy. Exercise shouldn't feel like a chore. Choose an activity you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, cycling, or hiking. 2. Partner up. Working out with a friend or family member can provide motivation and accountability. You can encourage each other and make exercise more enjoyable. 3. Track your progress. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating. Keep track of your workouts, noting the duration, intensity, and how you felt. Celebrate your achievements along the way. 4. Set realistic goals. Don't try to do too much too soon. Set small, achievable goals that you can gradually work towards. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Interval training is a powerful tool for transforming your fitness and overall well-being. It's efficient, effective, and adaptable to your fitness level and preferences. By incorporating interval training into your routine, you're not just choosing a workout, you're choosing a healthier, more energetic you. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Lace up your shoes, grab a friend, and experience the incredible benefits of interval training firsthand. Your body will thank you for it.